Hey there tubers, welcome to Daintree JD. Well guys, I'm back up in the eastern side of North Queensland again, and this is where I grew up, on the Bloomfield River. So I'm just going to take you in there on a bit of a journey as we zoom in through. You can see our Great Barrier Reef on the right hand side there as we zoom in closer and closer into the Bloomfield River. Right in the corner of the river to the left of the screen guys, this is where our house was. Good afternoon tubers, I'm up at Bloomfield. This is where I grew up as a kid. This is where the car is there, is where our house used to be. Right on the side of the Bloomfield River. This stump of wood here is a hickory stump or tree. It formed part of our jetty that came out off the side of the river here. It was awesome. What a place to grow up. Really loved it here. Fishing all the time, of course. There's the mouth of the mighty Bloomfield. Lovely place to grow up though. I used to love winter mornings here. And the cool breeze would blow up the river. Beautiful. Even on a hot summer day in the afternoon, wind coming off the water here was awesome. This point's nearly east. It's probably east-northeast. The mouth of the river. But yeah, awesome. Used to drag the net out over here. Yep, pretty scary, hey? Crocs everywhere in here these days, not so many then. Used to swim here. We used to have our boat moored off here. We had a mooring straight ahead there, about centre frame, and Dad and I would take the boat out, anchor it or moor it, jump off and swim in. Yeah, a little bit crazy. That's what you get when you live out here. But yeah, loved it, hey. Beautiful place. Still miss it today. Always home. So this basically is the block that we were on. Very small, but right on the river. There's coconut trees here my mum planted. They're quite large now. And most of the trees here mum planted with Dad, and that was to hold the bank together. It's looking out the front yard. We used to have a chook pen here, and across here is the bamboo or one of the bamboos. This is the green bamboo that used to border our fence that mum grew. It's so huge now, lots of it. But yeah, always a concern of crocodile sleeping on your back lawn. Had to be careful. Small coconut trees that mum planted. They're super tall now. But yeah, this was my yard as a kid growing up, guys. Pretty awesome, hey? Today we got the croc sign there to the right of the frame. But there are always crocs here. We just lived carefully. Beautiful place though.